In the world of electronic manufacturing, precision is paramount. Yet, traditional solder paste storage often introduces challenges that compromise efficiency and product quality. One major pain point is limited traceability. Traditional methods make it challenging to track the journey of solder paste batches, leading to increased waste and expiry risks. Another difficulty lies in manual handling and the absence of automation. This introduces the risk of contamination, inconsistent mixing, human errors, limited process control and so on, all contributing to potential quality issues in the production process. Here is the solution. Introducing our Smart Solder Paste Management System, designed to enhance traceability, minimize waste, and automated crucial processes in solder paste storage. Let's see how it works. Place the solder paste at the entrance shelf randomly. To increase the speed and efficiency, multiple jars of solder paste can be put in simultaneously. Upon entry, the robotic arm swiftly picks up each jar, scans its code from the jar body or top lid, and registers it in the database. This ensures precise tracking and traceability throughout the entire storage and retrieval process. Next, the jar is delicately sent into the refrigeration and storage unit, maintaining a controlled temperature which is suitable for preserving the solder paste's integrity and extending its shelf life. When the time comes as per setting, the system initiates the thawing process. The system offers 3 thawing modes to suit different needs. It typically takes more than 4 hours under room temperature. The thawing time can also be set according to specific requirements. To guarantee homogeneity, the system incorporates a stirring mechanism which normally takes about 3 minutes depending on the setting. This action ensures even distribution of the material in case minor settling has occurred inside the jar during storage. Finally, it is ready for retrieval. Every step, from the moment the solder paste enters the system to its retrieval, is seamlessly controlled and under full and precise automation. With a commitment to full automation, not only manual errors are eliminated, the quality and consistency can be maintained, and optimal conditions for your solder paste at every stage are guaranteed. Every step of the solder paste in the system is meticulously tracked. The system goes beyond traceability to provide unmatched reliability through foolproof functions, such as first expired first out mechanism, automatic refrigeration return after timeout, prevention of expired solder paste retrieval, low stock alarms, etc. Welcome to a new era in smart solder paste management, beyond just storage. Remember, in electronics manufacturing, the quality of your solder paste is the foundation of precision, reliability, and the success of your end product.